Service counter selling skills and life skills in under 60 seconds. I work with a lot of independent auto repair shops where the owners are beginning to grow and they're beginning to hire more employees, and all of a sudden they're thrust into this position of having to manage multiple employees, and it is a different world. You see, here's the truth about employees. They're a mess. And I don't mean that personally. I mean that even though you hire the best you can, they come with issues, right? People are not like fixing automobiles. They don't abide by the laws of physics. They're not broken or not broken. They're these warm, amorphous, fuzzy blobs of goo that never do what you think they're going to do, whether you think they should or not. The reality about employees is, number one, they're never going to do it like you. Don't expect them to. No matter who you hire, how much you think they're like you, they're not going to do it like you. And that is okay. We don't want a whole bunch of yous running around anyway. You might, but I don't. All right? So what we do is we hire the best we can hire. We help set goals with them. We give them the tools that they need to accomplish the goals. And then we provide some coaching and some direction. We can't tell them what to do. We can't make them be somebody that they're not. And so hiring is really, really important. But look, along the same vein, just because you hire great people and you have high hopes for them doesn't mean that they don't need the proper tools. They do. They also need a roadmap. They need to know where you expect them to go and to get to. And they need to know that you're paying attention along the way. They need structure. They need encouragement. They need to be able to see what the future is. All right? So the truth about employees is managing them is not easy. It never will be. But you can learn to do it. You didn't learn to fix cars overnight. You're not going to learn to manage employees overnight. But you can do it if you focus on it.